Today we visit potato grower John Wilcox.
Hi, I'm John Wilcox from A.S. Wilcox & Sons. We're potato growers here in Pukekohe. We've been doing it for 4 generations now. My grandfather started growing potatoes in 1932. The process starts with working up the ground into furrows, and that helps with drainage. We take those furrows when we put the seed planter through, and we open the furrow up, carefully placing the tuber in with the planter, and then closing the furrow up again as well, so that it starts its growth in the dark. So the seed potato grows in the ground. It takes about 21 days to come through the ground to emerge. It takes about 110 days for the crop to grow to maturity, and this crop that you're looking at now is about 40 days old. One of our sustainable practices is to build banks on any sloping soil. That stops the topsoil from running off the paddock. Anything that escapes that gets caught in a silt trap at the bottom of the property, and then that soil gets returned back up the paddock. We use a range of pest controls, including biobanks. The biobanks attract a range of natural predators. These attack the bugs, which can damage the potato plants. Before we harvest the potatoes, we check to see if they're ready. The weather, the season, the location all have an impact on this. So the potato harvester comes into the field and harvests the potatoes row by row. The harvester lifts the potatoes out of the field, and then they get an initial inspection, a grading, and then they go into bins to go back to the pack house for packing. In the pack house, the potatoes go into a soak tank first in the washing process, and then they go onto a primary inspection area. It takes out a lot of rubbish before they go into the tumble washer. That's where most of the washing is done. After that, they go onto a veggie polisher, which just finishes them off before a final inspection. After the inspection, they go onto a sizer, and the sizer is simply allowing small ones to fall through and bigger ones to go over to the next stage. We then take it to the packing line, where it goes to a final inspection, and then it gets packed into bags, boxes, crates, and then into the market.
This grower is committed to responsible production practices through a program called New Zealand GAP. This involves third-party audits of the farm against standards for food safety, traceability, worker welfare, sustainable practices, and that the vegetables are graded to a quality standard. For more information on potatoes and tasty recipes, visit Vegetables.co.nz.